All right, guys, welcome back. It is March 2nd. Unfortunately, the drift season starts in about 4 weeks. I have a whole laundry list of things I need to get done. Engine back from the machine shop, assembled, put back in the car. Got to get paint prepped, got to get painted, everything. So I'm gonna take you along in the process, heading out the door right now to the shop. Shop. Got that long intro out of the way. Let's get to work. Alright. We're doing a little bit of fiberglass repair to this fender. Corner was blown out. Getting that repaired. Trying to feather down that new fiber. Get this all sanded down with 80 grit with the DA, as well as the rest of the car. Definitely have to calm down on the cinematics. Actually get to work. strike. Turn that fan off. Cooking. Chef Master Seth over here. Cooked us some beef au jus. We're gonna get cracking on this. Get back to work momentarily. Update on Seth's whip. As you can see, it's on the lift. What are you doing, dude?
Just grinding out here. Just got done eating.
Well, no shit. Yeah, that was great. Do appreciate that. If he won't update you, I will. He's in the process of getting that old exhaust off so he can throw on that ISR. We got 2 bolts on that flange down here. We've already got the headers loose. Dude has already started deleting all the stockness of this 240. He's got a cold air intake, you know, rookie mods. They are underway.
Straight rice.
First time the car's been on the lift, looking it over. Everything's actually looking wonderful. He actually scored a gem. Pinch welds, spotless, honestly. There's one point where you can see it's been jacked up, but other than that, I have no idea how this thing's been up in the air and had wheels changed and whatnot. Pinch welds, frame rails, everything's looking wonderful. Few seals here and there that are leaking, transmission, but that's to be expected over a 30-year-old car here. Stock links, subframe, stock bushings, everything is pretty stock. Yeah, he's got a lot of work and a lot of money to spend, but this thing's in damn good condition, that's for sure. All right, let's get to the exhaust. Sanding down the majority of the car, hood, fenders. The rest of the car, just got to remove the wing, get the trunk, and the over fenders in the rear, and then remove those and get the under body. But right now, I'm in the process of repairing my front bumper, as well as a few other things, side skirt. I'm gonna pull out these drift stitches, get this reattached, see if I can fix that corner. Yeah, coming along. Had to remove the roof trim here. This is a Vert specific piece here. Unfortunately, the bolts to it are really tight above the cage, and yeah, no access to that, so I'm probably going to just glue this back on. We'll see once the time comes. All right, fiberglass repair is pretty simple. Figured I'd explain the process. You can see here, this is my side skirt. It goes on the side of this car. It's damaged here. Process to repair it requires a few items. Fiberglass mat, cut that up in sections. Some fiberglass resin and some activator. Normally a brush. Spread the resin. Process to repair it. Usually we would tape up the front side to reattach the damaged section, and then we would apply some resin to the back side, lay some mat, more resin, and then some more mat. Carry on the process. Once the back side has cured, we would take off the tape from the front side, apply some mat to the front, resin it up. You already know the deal. Figured I'd explain it. Now let me show you the process. Tape the front, back side's got that nice little broken seam line. We're gonna start applying resin and laying the mat. See, that process wasn't terrible. Got the fiberglass and the resin. Made a giant mess on the back side here. Build up the corner. We're gonna let this dry, let it cure, probably overnight. Come back in here tomorrow. Pull off the tape, see what the front's looking like. Probably apply a few layers on the front. Not too much though. But hey, it's looking wonderful. All right, in the process of fitting up this front bumper, got to cut out the front of it for my tow hook mount. Yeah, woo, let's do it. Front bumper, as you can see, the resin's definitely pretty dry, but there is a gap. Might lay some of this green goop on it. Bondo hair, didn't show you that process. It's pretty nasty, as you can see. It's a very ugly section. This whole corner was broken off. I believe it was all jagged. We're gonna get this all massaged down to hopefully fit up that rear corner. But side skirt, pretty much all dry. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. So, hey, not too bad for my first few times repairing anything. All right, running out of time today. Got this front bumper fitted up the best I can. Got it taped up in the corners until I get another set of latches for this bumper. Not looking terrible. Replica 2F bumper. Cheap replacement. Can't go wrong. Gotta love the cheap fiber. Side skirt. It's all dried up. Bumper. It's looking pretty good. Yep. It's all coming together. Not sure how today's video is going to come out. I do appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, have a good one. Bonus clip, gotta update you on Rookie's car. Got the ISR exhaust installed. It's tight lower and up here. Still working on the EGR. What you guys say for yourself? It's like day 5.
Grinding, trying to hustle, trying to get this thing started, trying to get it running.
Yeah, that's all good. It's your first 240. Hey, it's coming together. Fuck yeah.
Race car stuff.
All right, y'all. Peace.